So hello aspirants, welcome to another session of current affairs. The first topic of this particular session is your Chennakeshava temple. It was built in 13th century and it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Then it is a part of your Hoysala temple complex. That means it is a Dravidian style architecture. Then it has star-shaped platform. The Vimana is in your pyramidal shape. We all knows that in the case of Dravidian style architecture, the temple Vimana is generally of pyramidal shape, and the pillars are polished, and various intricate designs are marked on them. So the next topic is Samarth. It is a portal which is launched by Ministry of Power, and under this particular scheme, the Ministry of Power is mandating the thermal power plants to at least produce 5 to 10% of the entire power that they are producing from the biomass. Though they are producing the entire power from the coal, but at least 5 to 10% should be produced from the biomass. That is the main purpose of your Samarth. The next topic is your Asiatic black bear. So the IUCN, under your IUCN list, it is ranked as vulnerable. It is also included under the Appendix 1 of your sites. Then it is a Schedule 1 species of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. And the unique feature of Asiatic black bear is that there is a white V mark on the chest of your black bears. So the next topic is your Power System Operation Corporation Limited. It is a public sector undertaking under the Ministry of Power, and its mandate is to ensure round-the-clock integrated power system working. That is, the power operation of the entire country should work properly and there should not be any issues. For that, Power System Operation Corporation Limited is made. The next topic is your Ibrahim Adil Shah II. So under the Bijapur Sultanate system, he was a 16th century Sultan. So remember the time period when he was the Sultan during your 16th century, and in which Sultanate system it is your Bijapur. He issued a coin named as Noon-e-Norus, and one book he wrote called as Kitab-e-Norus. So kindly remember the names Noon-e-Norus, what was it, and what was Kitab-e-Norus. So the next topic is landlord port model. So recently Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust became first port to have 100% operations as landlord port. So it was there in the news because of this reason. So we should understand what is this landlord port, what is the model or what is the principle behind this particular landlord port. So in landlord port, what happens is that the public authority or the government will act as the regulator, and the berths in the shipping port will be given to the private party for operation or for maintenance. So it is a sort of public-private partnership model. So remember this landlord port model. The next topic is your Kali Bain. It is a tributary or rivulet which meets the confluence of your river Beas and Satluj in Kapurthala. So Kapurthala is the name of the place in Punjab, and the origination of this Kali Bain river is also in Punjab. So try to remember this particular aspect. So the next topic is INS Sindhudwaj. It is a kilo class submarine and it belongs to your Sindhu Ghosh class. So remember this aspect, and on which particular power does it run? It is a diesel electric submarine, so it runs on the diesel electric power. The next topic is your Jagriti. So recently the government has launched a mascot for your consumer awareness named as Jagriti. It is launched by your Department of Consumer Affairs. So the next is your chimeric antigen receptor T cell therapy. T cells are present in our body, and under this particular therapy, the T cells are genetically modified with chimeric antigen receptors so as to treat the disease cancer. So this particular therapy is famous for the cancer disease treatment. So the next is your Karakoram anomaly. Now in the Karakoram anomaly, there is rise in the glaciers in the central region of Karakoram. However, at the other parts of the Karakoram, the glaciers are receding. So during this climate change phenomena, this particular anomaly is being seen in Karakoram, where the glaciers are being enhanced or their volume is getting risen up, especially in the case of central region of the Karakoram. However, in the other parts of Karakoram, the glaciers are receding. So remember this Karakoram anomaly. Now, the Time magazine in its 2022 edition has included Ahmedabad and Kerala in the list of world's greatest places. So remember this particular aspect also. Then the next topic is Dunagiri. Now Dunagiri is the name of a frigate which is made under your project 17A. So the next topic is aneurysm. Aneurysm is a kind of a disease under which the arteries and veins get swelled. So remember this aspect. The next topic is your Bonalu festival. Now this particular festival is celebrated in your Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. This is related to the art and culture aspect, so that's why it becomes important. Now the next topic is your wormhole. So it is related to the space and science aspect. So it is a sort of a tunnel which connects two different places. So remember this aspect. The next topic is your World Press Freedom Index. Now which particular institution releases this World Press Freedom Index? It is your Reporters Without Borders. The next topic is your India Innovation Index. So it is released by your Niti Aayog. So that's all for this session of the current affairs. In the next session, we will see some other topics. Till then, thank you.